प्रोडक्ट्स यूज कर रहा है, एक बार इनके लिए हाँ बोल दें जोर से। जोश जोश चाहिए सब तरफ से।
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now I introduce GCID and Aishin Group. GCID and Aishin Group is the leading Chinese enterprise specialized in intelligent repair tools and electronic testing equipment. With more than 10 years of deep focus on in the mobile phone and 3C digital repair industry, we have grown into a trusted global brand and serving millions of technicians all over the world.
तो सिंपल भाषा में कहेंगे तो ये 10 साल से इसी इंडस्ट्री में है और पूरे वर्ल्ड में सॉल्यूशंस प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं। स्पेशली इंडिया मार्केट इनका सबसे बड़ा है, जो आप जानते ही हो, आप सब इधर हो।
Our mission is simple: to provide smart, more reliable, and more efficient repair solutions to every technician all over the world. Okay. Yeah. GCID focus on high-end programming tools and diagnostic equipment. And this is our second son company, Aishin. Aishin specializes in intelligent soldering station, hot air gun.
यूज कर चुके होंगे।
The first is Aishin automation.
आइशिन की ऑटोमेशन मशीन्स।
Next is our new business department, GCI car.
JCI कार, जो ये जो ECU का काम अगर कोई करता होगा।
GCI car focus on the Tesla and other new energy car repair.
टेस्ला और काफी जो बैटरी वाली कार्स हैं अभी उनके लिए सॉल्यूशंस प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं।
And the last is GC smart selector, include the battery, screen, and UFO accessories. And the next part is I want to announce our GCID new products we're launching in India market.
इंडिया मार्केट के नए प्रोडक्ट्स जो लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं इस मोबियलाइव इवेंट के थ्रू।
And it's, as you know, U70.
U70
U70 Android and programs. It's a program that supports UFS and emmc storage, read and write, and also support ISP read and write while flying. Compared with the previous generation U50, it adds the emmc and read and write and ISP read and write while flying. Compared to the generation U15, the external PCIe power cable has been eliminated. It now operates used just as a single data cable. U70 solves the issues of the previous U50, include the lack of support for younger memory. Yeah.
यांगजे के सपोर्ट के लिए, यांगजे मेमोरी के सपोर्ट के लिए U15 का इशू सॉल्व किया है।
Inability to recognize hesitation 935 and lack of high-speed support for hesitation 925. Support for connecting to GCID repair system for automatic upgrade. Regarding the speed, aboard 250 MB per second. Writing speed about 350 MB per second.
कितनी स्पीड काफी है?
It's very high speed, right? And it's a wide range of applications, mobile phones, joints, automobiles, TVs, set-top box, and agriculture. Mainstream and modules include UFS
इतनी स्पीड तो वो भी दे रहा है ना 60 को।
254, 297 model. EMC include 153, 169, 21, 254 model, and UFS, EMC, ISP flavor model. Compatible with the 99% of Android now and the
ऑलमोस्ट 99 कर दिया है भाई. 1% कौन ऐड करना चाहेगा? शंकर भाई आप एंड्रॉइड को भी हाथ लगा लो.
And next step, I want to show our short-term video to introduce our jcid and iSync group.